The Democratic Republic of Congo was earlier known as Zaire. It is the third largest country in Africa. Its capital is Kinshasa. It lies in the equatorial region. The equatorial region lies on both the sides of the equator and has hot and wet type of climate almost throughout the year. You can see the equatorial region in the map shown above. Location and land. Look at the map of Democratic Republic of Congo. You will see that the equator runs through its north. It is surrounded by 9 countries. The names of these countries are the Central African Republic and Sudan in the north, Uganda, Rwanda, Tanzania and Burundi in the east. Can you see them? Congo in the west, Zambia and Angola in the south. One of the most important features of Democratic Republic of Congo is the River Congo, which is the second longest river in Africa. The Congo River is also known as Zaire River. Can you name the longest river in Africa? Yes, you are right. It is Nile. Nile is the longest river in the world. The River Congo is called the Highway of Central Africa. The Albert, Kivu, Edward and Tanganyika are the major lakes of this country. Climate. As the Democratic Republic of Congo is located near the equator, it has hot and wet climate throughout the year. Mornings are quite pleasant, but at noon the temperatures are high. The temperatures during the day is between 30 to 35 degrees centigrade. In the afternoon, there is a heavy rainfall for a short period. Evenings and night are cooler. Vegetation. Most of the Democratic Republic of Congo is covered with rainforest. The trees in these forests grow very tall and form a canopy which prevents sunlight from reaching the ground. There is a dense growth of creepers and shrubs. A special feature of these trees of these forests is that they are evergreen. Evergreen you have studied earlier. The plants here are all the time green. In some parts where the climate is not so hot and wet, the vegetation is different. Here grasslands with short trees are found. These grasslands are called savanna. Wildlife. The dense forest provides an excellent shelter to animals. Gorillas, chimpanzees and baboons are found in the forest. Insects and reptiles are found in large numbers. Reptiles include snakes, pythons and crocodiles. Crocodiles and hippopotamus are found in the swamps and rivers. Okapi, a horse-like animal, is found here. The Democratic Republic of Congo is called the natural zoo of the world. Star fact. The Democratic Republic of Congo once had the world's largest population of hippopotamuses. Due to poaching now, they are facing extinction. Poaching means illegal hunting or killing animals. Agriculture. The main occupation of people is farming and mining. Farmers practice shifting agriculture. In this system, some forest land is cleared and crops are grown for 2 to 3 years. Crops grown are cassava, maize and rice. Cassava is the staple food. Which is the staple food? Cassava. The cassava plant has long or fleshy roots or tubers under the ground। जैसे हम लोग शकरकंद खाते हैं, कसावा भी कुछ वैसा ही होता है। The tubers are taken out from the ground and soaked in water for many days। इसे पानी में भिगोया जाता है। Then the skin is peeled off। जैसे हम आलू को छीलते हैं वैसे इसकी स्किन peel off करते हैं। The tubers are dried and the flour is made from them। उसका फिर आटा बनाते हैं। Cash crops such as palm oil, coca, coffee and rubber are grown for export। मतलब यहाँ से ये सब बाहर भेजा जाता है। So they get money for this। Industry। The Democratic Republic of Congo is rich in minerals like gold, diamond, manganese, copper, cobalt, uranium and coal। It is the largest producer of cobalt and industrial diamond in the world। Industries are not developed here, so most of the minerals are exported। Exported means it is sent to other countries। A number of dams have been built। They produce hydroelectricity। What is hydroelectricity? Electricity produced from water। Life of people। The Democratic Republic of Congo is thinly populated, means the population here is very less। Though a number of tribes live here, the Bantu is the largest tribe। Bantu people are tall and have curly hair। Curly means gungrale baal। Pygmies are primitive tribe who live in dense forest। They are short in height। Their average height is less than 1.5 meter, which is exactly 5 feet। They gather food by hunting। They have primitive lifestyle। They make huts out of branches and leaves। As the weather is hot and humid, the people do not wear many clothes। The people enjoy singing and dancing। Transport। Water transport is very important। The Congo-Zaire River is the chief means of transportation। Matadi is the main seaport and Kinshasa, the capital of Democratic Republic of Congo, is an important river port। The Democratic Republic of Congo is developing fast। So students, did you enjoy visiting the land of Congo? Yes, now let's see what is the value we have learned from this lesson। Ever since people have lived on earth, they have used animals and plants to get everything they need। Animals are killed for meat and skin। Trees are cut down for paper। Plants are uprooted for food। Taking care of nature means trying to keep a balance between the needs of people and the needs of wildlife। We need plants and animals because they provide us with food and oxygen। If they don't survive, we can't either। Now students, you have an activity to do। You will write the names of these animals in the comment box and tell me। Thank you।